Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did go ahead and update my channel name to Shauna the MUA because after all I am a makeup artist and a beauty creator. So today I'll be reviewing the new Nars Soft Matte Foundation, which is this. So as you can see, if you like how my skin is looking with this foundation, then keep on watching, guys. So I went ahead and put a little bit on this side of my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit more. And I'm going to pat it onto this side. So far, I think the shade is good, Caracas, because I tend to get a little bit more tan if I go out in the sun. But this seems to be blending in pretty well. And a little bit do kind of go a long way. It does have a soft, matte, like velvet type texture. So it feels very smooth. It feels very lightweight on the skin. I did already prime my skin with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Now I'm just going to go in with my concealer. So I'm going to use the Juvia's Place. And this one is in number 10, Fenty Beauty. And this one is 330. Just so that I can have a little highlight in this inner section and down my nose. So I'm going to just let that sit a little bit. Let it marinate into the skin. I'm glad that I didn't have to mix Caracas with Macao, because I did end up getting the Macao and the regular, the Luminous foundation. So I didn't get Macao and the soft matte, but after it sits into your skin, it looks like it really, not really oxidized, but it really blended into my skin and matched my skin tone. So that's a plus. So now I'm just going to go in and blend that concealer. Now I'm not going to use a cream contour today. I'm just going to use a powder. So let's go ahead and set this concealer. And I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Blondie setting powder. That is all set. I'm just going to take my all over powder, which I like to use MAC Studio Fix, and this one is in C7. I'm just going to lightly dust a little bit just to set the rest of my face. And then now I am going to use the Fenty Beauty. This one is Coconutty. Alright, next I'm just going to add some blush. So I did pick up 2 new blushes. I got the new Nars Orgasm X, which this color is so beautiful. It's so pretty and it's so pigmented. And then the other blush that I got was Exhibit A. And this is also such a beautiful color. But today I'm going to use the Orgasm X. So let me just, a little goes a long way, guys. It is pretty pigmented. And it gives like a reflex of gold. So if you can see how beautiful that is, let me back up from the light. Next, I'm going to use the Hyper Real Glow, and this is by MAC Cosmetics. This palette, I don't know what shade it is, but I am going to use the more golden one. and I'm just going to dab a little bit, even though I kind of have like a highlighter from the blush, but you know, you can never have too much highlights. So I'm just gonna put a little bit down my nose. All right, next I'm going to spray my face with the watermelon glow mist, and this is by Glow Recipe. I went ahead and added that a little bit of hydration because I am realizing that my skin is extra matte. So I will say that if you are not extremely oily, then this might not be the foundation for you. Because if you're not that oily, you are going to be super matte, and if that's the look that you're going for, then fine, perfect. But if you want a little bit of hydration to your skin, then maybe not use like a mattifying primer, or use one that kind of hydrates your skin. So the Tatcha Silk Canvas is not really, it's a normal primer, so it's not something that's going to make you extra matte or make you extra dewy. So right now I do like the matte look. It's very flawless. It gives you like a medium to full coverage. You could kind of build the coverage on that. This video is solely to give you my thoughts and my review. I'm not going to do a completed look. I wanted you guys to see how my face is. This is like a regular, like, let me go out type of look. Minus I would add some eyeliner and mascara, but I am going to be filming another look for you guys, and another review using the Pat McGrath new eyeshadow palette. So stay tuned for that. But my overall thoughts is I do like this foundation. A little bit goes a long way, especially if you don't like to wear too much foundation. It gives you quite a bit of coverage. I would say that it's medium to full coverage. It is buildable. So this should last you. It has 1.5 fluid ounce, which I think that is the standard fluid ounce. On their Luminous is 1 fluid ounce, so you actually get more in this bottle. Foundation, if you have dry skin, I would not recommend this foundation because it's super matte. Unless you're going to prep your skin using more hydrating products and use a hydrating primer, that's the only way that I would recommend using this foundation. Otherwise, this is for combination to oily skin. And look how flawless my skin looks. So nice and glowy. I do also like the blushes. Nars blushes are very pigmented. Like, this is my first time actually buying 2 of their blushes, and I must say these are the real deal. So if you are looking for a nice blush, I would definitely recommend trying out their blushes. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and my review on this new product. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and give this video up, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye, you guys.